Hello and welcome back to Opt for Organic. Hope all of you are safe and sound. The skin of our lips is very thin and lacks oil glands as present on the rest of our body. Therefore, it tends to get dry and damaged very easily in winters if proper care is not taken. In this video, I am going to demonstrate 3 steps of a complete lip care, especially for those cold and dry days. So, let's begin. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon first. So the first step in the process is scrubbing. This is basically to get rid of that layer of dead skin over your lips and prepare them for the next step. To make this DIY lip scrub, simply add 1 teaspoon ground brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground coffee powder, 1 teaspoon beetroot powder, 1/4 teaspoon vitamin E oil or 1 tablet vitamin E, 2 teaspoon olive oil, and 4 to 5 drops of peppermint or cinnamon essential oil. I am adding 2 drops of each peppermint and cinnamon essential oil. Mix them all really well and pour it in an empty container. I have added beetroot powder to it to give a nice natural pink tint to your lips. Next step is to provide moisture to our lips by applying this lip oil. To make this lip oil, the ingredients we will be needing are pure clarified butter, also known as cow ghee in India, avocado oil. If you don't have avocado oil, then you can replace it with argan oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E and cinnamon essential oil. To make this lip oil, add 1/2 teaspoon cow ghee or clarified butter, 1/2 teaspoon avocado oil, 1/4 teaspoon castor oil, 1/4 teaspoon vitamin E oil or 1 tablet vitamin E, 1 teaspoon jojoba oil and 1 to 2 drops of cinnamon essential oil. Stir well and mix all the ingredients properly and fill this lip oil in an empty roll-on bottle like this using a funnel. And the last step in the process is to apply a homemade super moisturizing cocoa butter lip balm. To make this lip balm, we only require 3 basic ingredients: beeswax, cocoa butter and coconut oil. If you have shea butter, then you can also add shea butter and essential oils for the fragrance. Simply add equal portions of these ingredients in a glass bowl and melt them using a double boiler method. If you have shea butter, then add half a teaspoon of shea butter to it. Let them melt completely and then remove it from the heat. Put it aside to cool down a bit. For the fragrance, you can add a few drops of your preferred essential oils. Once this mixture comes to the room temperature, stir well and pour in an empty lip balm container like this. At room temperature, it will get certain hours to get completely solid depending on the weather conditions. You can also place it in the refrigerator for 1 hour to speed up the process. Apply all over the lips and make a layer of the scrub over your lips. Scrub gently and keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then dab a dry tissue and gently remove this scrub. If you wish, you can also wash your lips and dab dry. Apply a layer of this lip oil on your lips and massage your lips lightly. After applying lip oil, apply a thin layer of this lip balm over your lips and keep applying it whenever you feel your lips are getting dry. So that's it for today, guys. Try this winter lip care and give your lips a complete makeover. If you have any questions regarding this, then feel free to ask me in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, then please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further updates. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.